living flamboyant lifestyle, aka what mankind, and this be what celebrity what yawa. You know say this life where we dey, where this world where we dey, we get celebrities, we get role models, where we start get people where we dey look up to them for society inside. Where you know say when they can say trend for Ghana here pa there, you know say the likes of Owusu Bempah, the likes of Obi Nim, the likes of so many celebrities where them dey Ghana here when they trend up. You know go fit GA if you have Schwarzenegger in him for inside. She dey inside. Because day in and day out no, go just say you matter do this, you matter do that, you matter do this. Now this matter where you can't talk no, it bust my mind. Where sound I think I was say, hey Charlie, so this way people they look up to him to be like or this way they take watch him then release stress and get one eye. The matter where you can't talk be say them they can't share people them a husband. If they talk say them if they talk say people where they not married, she dey inside. Because we don't know say if you have Schwarzenegger married or not married. Because we know say she born where some adapt one kiddie you know put in kiddie you know what inside where right now they make three. Then be twins, then one kiddie be where you go adapt and put inside. Where you talk say married men where them day here, them day Ghana here no, them day no, you know be Ghana here, them day no, they can't share them plus them are wives. Where this woman sound quote memory verse. Tell you they talk you get what? You get something where they back up. I don't know who will show him that memory verse. I don't know I'm say maybe he be check go out or I don't know. Say they read the Bible and things. Where you quote Bible verse, where the memory verse where you quote you know be Isaiah chapter 4 verse 1. And they belly there then I read. Then you now you go hear what she take back in what in talking in way she what she talk on. So at the belly she talk say the Bible they talk say and as the 7 women shall take hold of one man, saying, we will eat our own bread and wear our own apparel. Only let us be called by thy name to take away our reproach. This be what the Bible, the holy book, where Christian people they depend on. So many people with them did the word inside, they depend on it and talk. But what me flambo, I will talk be say. Married men na kasano problem dey this word inside the marriage. That why God now can talk say he be in now where you go judge marriage. You know go take marriage given a bro. He be in God now where you go judge marriage for in what in face inside. Where marriage na kasano it be institution be where God in I dey inside because it be in where dignities they come up for inside the camp. People God go use them no they come up for inside the camp. So God know they take marriage the word joke. So if you go read Isaiah, because Isaiah no maybe if the story be where he deal, where the quotation they talk about that thing where he come, you know go fit just pick one quotation for Bible inside then two, then can't take back your talking where you talk. Because talking be cheap and rough you talk. But if the talker, you know say if you the talker, if I talk something where it go benefit the society. It will benefit the country because it be celebrated, they celebrate you because you do certain things where we now know say what it be something where it day inside where they what we they follow you like the way you they act, the way you they do your things, the way you they live that your luxury life. It will be fair. Somebody pray for that or that lifestyle some. But if you are talking, no they what, no they attract the way they live your life now. It's just like you now, you don't know what you they do for yourself. How you go spoil marriage? You be single woman now. Go set your own what man. Then get plenty men for what outside though. No man where he did where God create him say make you can't turn poor, make you can't turn rich. He did the word inside. Where you now you born a home there, God will take in what? In blessing, push you. Then you go reach the level you now you want rich. Because if you want turn poor, you there you're there. If you want turn richer, you there what? You're there. So if you be woman where some guy be say they like you are. Where you know say it be your taste where you now the fella. Take the man, make you no spy the way the man in financial accounts then things. He dey spy that time because money they go they come. Somebody go fit get money right now. You go fit know say this person go get money. Sometimes go come no. Fire go burn the money then thing. So it be the money they marry or it be human being where you what you they marry. So-called celebrities where them day the system here. No, I don't know what they wrong them. I don't know what they wrong them. When we get people to where we dey back them. We dey back them because Spider-Man social media platforms are plenty huge of lies. Because if I impact what? If I impact the society, if I not the talk this right now, some kiddy be wait now she dey grow the camp. She hear this thing. You will not say good. Because when we say celebrity, we didn't follow the pictures. Because when you say, Sadia no here now, Odinya Nisika. So into know if I follow that footsteps, then get what she go get. Because kiddies when they come now, then be uncontrollable. When they now to then get them a own lifestyle where they take calm the system inside. So if you be celebrity where you just there, you don't say anything be if you talk, brother man, sister, you don't lie yourself. Your kiddies there, this thing you talk, you yourself you go feel do. You don't say it to you get kiddy. Kiddy way she be shoddy way sang in Bema be you know where them be twins. If they are married, where some bro go take them a wife, you go join you. You don't go join you. So sometimes we know how we go talk. Talking be something where it be what? It be expensive. Because the tank the way they want to move inside no fire then water they top. Essentially you get your eye, make you not just stop just like that. Because you get people with the system here where Charlie we now one man in the bury. So this be the matter where it come where me Flambo I thought say I will talk, then can't talk you what she do. You go feel leave your comments. Leave your comment, Pepe. Me I talk my own. You want to be what? It be very, very important. Because brain, you know day one man in head inside. You finish, you go social media platformer. You go feel follow us and like one of videos. All the names where they social media platform need what? Too much what? GH. Prayer always do what? Work. Bow!
Too much GH. Me did I say Japan. A prepare and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say. Bomoden na share too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane. Bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. One when you be a washing, other place in the idea. Cat one. Na bomber de never share too much GH. Beshe, so scrap. Bomber then, oh, beshepe. Now I hear so scrap. Oh, so scrap. So scrap. Na so scrabble. Now, oh, so scrabble. No be near my pet. Our pet near my papa. Our pet. Ashe. Yamish now, no.